Hello everyone, in today's video I will share web scraping boot demo. Let's see the task. So this is the website and here normally we select one of the option like land records plates. So for now I just select land records and from here the date range like from 1st January 2024 till 31st January 2024. When I click on search, so it show me this data like total 18,000 plus, and I am interested to extract the grantor, grantee, doc type, record date, doc number, also address. So let's see. This is the scraper I create for this. So here you can see this is the same thing which is this one. So I select, let's suppose I can select plates, assume name or marriage, but for now I'm selecting land records and select folder where we want to save our output. So I am for now inside download folder. So here is it, and from that range I want to January 1st and then till January 31st of 2024. That's it, and now I am clicking run. So behind the scene it is sending requests to the website and extracting data. Here you will see the message that uh, extracting, let's suppose 100 top 100 records, then now after 100 to 200 up to up to so on. Now you can see records 1 to 100 of 18,000 plus extracting. Okay, so once this done, then it will show like after 101 till 200. So at a time this website allow here you can see 50, but it's allow maximum 100 per page. So exactly here you can see it is extracting per page records 100. So one page done and second is running. So now I want to stop for saving time. So let's see, you can see it show. Are you sure you want to stop? Yes. Okay. And now let's see, you can see land records file created. Let's open it, and here you can see the data: document number, grantor, grantee, address, city, state, zip. That's it. If you are tired of manual data entry, then just DM me and share your goal. I will automate it for you. Thank you.